Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to make this quick video because 2020 is around the corner, and some people, whether they believe in resolutions or not, there's still some people who are completely clueless about what they want to do. So getting direction from anywhere is helpful. So basically I googled what the top fitness resolutions for 2020 was, and of course there are a lot out there, but according to USA Today and their suggestions, these were the top 2020 resolutions. So this is what I'm going to share with you today. So let's dig in. After all the eating and the drinking over the holidays, you guys know what I'm talking about. It's time to put the sugar cookies down and start back with a healthy routine. So here are the top fitness resolutions. First, they suggest training for a 5K. And I know for some people this might seem so far out of reach, but there are so many things to do to help you train for that first 5K or whatever running event that you would like to train for. I suggest checking out some running apps like Nike and Runkeeper. I'm sure that there are more out there, but personally I've used these two before, Runkeeper and Nike, and they are really easy to use and pretty structured. Sometimes, yes, I do need structure in my life. Also, it's time to get creative when it's time to work out. Pop Sugar Fitness, they suggest going for that group fitness class that you've always been eyeing. Now, if you're already doing a fitness plan like some people, including myself, there's nothing wrong with changing things up to keep things exciting. Now, whether you're trying out yoga, CrossFit, or that new free Beachbody neighborhood fit club, just have fun and don't be too serious. Being adventurous and open is the key, and this will help you stick to your resolution, I promise. Next up, according to Women's Health, they said forget about the fad diets and just give intuitive eating a chance. Now, what is that? I didn't even know what that was, but basically what intuitive eating is that you're listening to what your body is craving, but obviously maintaining that balance. And you can also cut back on coffee consumption. I know some of my friends are giving me some dirty looks right now, I can see it, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to. It's up to you. Maybe substitute 1 cup of coffee for a nice hot tea. It's all about baby steps, guys. So that's it. Hope you guys have a great new year, and of course I'm always here if you need me.